Hey everyone, welcome back to Quick Tech Tips. Is your PC running slow or cluttered with junk files? Don't worry, today I'll show you 5 free tools that will clean, optimize, and speed up your Windows PC in 2025. And yes, they're all safe and easy to use. Let's jump in. CCleaner, free. Cleans temporary files, browser junk, and speeds up startup. Super beginner friendly. Recover, from the same company as CCleaner, helps you recover accidentally deleted files, photos, documents, etc. BleachBit, open source alternative to CCleaner. Cleans cache, system junk, and even helps free up disk space safely. IOBit uninstaller, free. Removes unwanted programs and leftover files. Great for cleaning up bloatware on new PCs. Windows built-in tools. Disk Cleanup and Storage Sense in Windows 10 and 11. Completely free and already installed. How to use. Go to Settings, System, Storage, and turn on Storage Sense. So, those are the top 5 free tools to keep your PC clean and optimized in 2025. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more PC tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.